In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on Clipchamp. So the first thing you want to do is go over here where it says record and create, and then click on text-to-speech over here. Now, you first have to select your language here on the right. In my case, it's going to be English, but you can select from many different languages. Then you can select a voice you'd like to use. So you have a bunch of voices, as you can see. But I'm going to use this Ryan one that I selected earlier, so Ryan Multilingual, which means it can speak different languages. You can also test and hear this voice by clicking over here.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Now, as you heard, this is the voice of Ryan, and I like it, so I'm going to use it. Then you also have the advanced settings where you can play with emotion and with the vocal pitch, so you can have it as default or extra low to extra high. And you can also set the pace. You can make it go slower or faster, however you'd like it to go. And then what you do is simply type in the text which you'd like the voice model to say. So let's type in, "Hi, I'm Ryan, one of the voices in Clipchamp." One voice in Clipchamp, there we go. Then you can preview it. So the maximum duration is 10 minutes, as you can see, but you can just do it multiple times and get it longer. Now I'm going to preview it.
Hi, I'm Ryan, one of the voices in Clipchamp.
Now, once you like the voice that you've just heard, you simply click on save. And that's it. You've got your text-to-speech audio over here, the voiceover in your timeline. And as you can see, if I play the timeline.
Hi, I'm Ryan, one of the voices in Clipchamp.
And that's it. That's how you use text-to-speech on Clipchamp.